recipe is for vegan cream mints. And this is an old recipe from the 1940s. Step 1, gather your ingredients. Soften your vegan butter, add your water, add your flavoring, mix that together. Start stirring in the powdered sugar. Start with half and then add the rest. I'm going to form this into a ball and add more powdered sugar if needed. If you knew you wanted all of your mint to be a certain color, now would be a great time to add that coloring. I'm adding more powdered sugar. Mix that together. Work it with your hands to get it to form a nice ball because you are putting in 3.5 cups of powdered sugar. If using food coloring paste, just use a tiny bit. It will color way more than you think. What you're going to do is just mix it together. If you happen to use a liquid dye, you may need to add more powdered sugar. So you're just working it in, and I just want a pale pink. You just keep mixing it till it's all one color, or you could have a marbled color. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the green. It's now time to shape these. I cover a cookie sheet with granulated sugar. So the first thing I'm going to demonstrate is making a little mint leaf. These are silicone molds. So roll it in a ball, just a small amount, and then roll it in the granulated sugar. Press it in, and if there's extra, just pull it off, and then you can see it's just going to pop right out. I'll demonstrate again. Little piece of candy, rolled in sugar, press it in, and it's just going to pop right out. Here's a little rose. Pop it in, then pop it out. And to fancy it up, if you want, take a little piece of your green and stick it to that, and it will just look like a rose with a leaf. This is a shell, so I'm just using the white. Pop it in, fill in all of the corners, and it will just come right out. Now when I'm in a hurry, which is most of the time, I will take a piece of the candy and I will roll it into a rope. Roll that into granulated sugar. You're going to have to get everything covered with granulated sugar, but that's how to do it. You just cut it. You could add a little bit of color. Roll the whole thing in granulated sugar and just cut it, and that will give you an idea of what those mints would look like. Now these need to air dry for up to an hour or so because we want a hard crust to form along the outer edge of the candy. And this is actually, like, you can hear that it actually has a crusty edge to it. So just form all of your candy, air dry it, and then store it in an airtight container separated with parchment paper between the layers. Now something that my grandson did that I thought looked really pretty was he took the shell and he just took several balls of candy, rolled them in sugar, put them in the mold, and they really ended up looking pretty nice. Press it in and just pop it out, and there you can have a nice little multicolored shell plated the mints, and you can see just how beautiful they would look on any table. God bless you all. Thank you so much for watching our channel, and as always, like and share. Have a great day.